Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. In today's tutorial, I'll show you how to put your Shopify store on hold temporarily. This can be useful if you want to work on your Shopify store without having any requests from clients and etc. So let's get started. The first step is to log into your Shopify admin. And to do so, like usual, we go to our web browser and in the search bar we type shopify.com, and after the website appears, click on login and enter your account credentials. If you haven't already logged in, just enter your credentials, or if you haven't created an account yet, you can do so. It's very easy and you can link it with your Google account to make the procedure even easier. Now, once in your Shopify admin dashboard, go to the left sidebar and scroll down to the settings. Click on settings right here next to the gear icon. From here, under accounts, find the plan and permission sections. I'm gonna see account here. Or we can search it in the search bar. It's easier that way. We're gonna search for plan and permissions. I think it's included in plan details. Here, you can pause your subscription or change your plan to a lower tier if needed. Now waiting for the page to refresh. Yes. And once you choose the plan or change it to whatever you want, either upgrading or downgrading, or even canceling the trial or canceling the plan, you should be if you now after you follow the prompts here to confirm your decision. If you're pausing your store, be sure to communicate with your customers about the hold, because it can be useful with the communication with the customers. And that's it. You've successfully put your Shopify store on hold. This is useful for when you need a break and to work on your Shopify store, or just need a break from marketing. If you like this video and found it helpful, please like and subscribe. And feel free to leave comments about this topic below the video. Thanks for watching and see you again in the next tutorial.